Hello, Namaskar. You're watching BT TV. I'm Tanya Neja. Well, Flexi Cap Funds, they are back in focus and we are going to tell you why. Well, according to the data released by MFI, the Flexi Cap Fund saw an inflow of 15,500 odd crore rupees in FY24. The total asset under management, that is AUM, of Flexi Cap Funds in March 2024 was recorded at 3.5 lakh crore rupees, and this is the highest among all equity categories. Now, on a year-on-year basis, the asset under management of the Flexi Cap category surged by around 45% from 2.41 lakh crore rupees in March 2023 to 3.5 lakh crore rupees in March 2024. So let's discuss Flexi Cap funds and the reasons behind this upsurge. So according to the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, a Flexi Cap fund is an open-ended dynamic equity scheme investing across large, mid and small cap stocks. To qualify as a Flexi Cap fund, at least 65% of its assets must be invested in Indian equities. Now, these funds are actively managed, meaning that fund managers continuously evaluate market conditions and adjust asset allocations accordingly. Now, according to experts, the advantage of a Flexi Cap fund is that it is well diversified, allowing market capitalization to move freely. So, if you are a risk-averse investor who wants to allocate funds in different market diversification levels to earn stable returns, then Flexi Cap funds investments are a great option for you. However, there is a catch. Now, these funds invest in all types of companies. So, therefore, the fund manager has to choose from a large pool of companies. So, ultimately, the performance of this fund depends upon the fund manager's ability to choose the right set of companies. Some Flexi Cap funds adopt an aggressive approach favoring mid and small cap companies, while others may prioritize safer investments in large cap companies. Now, the Flexi Cap funds gave an average return of over 40% in FY24, and if we look at the performance, Bank of India Flexi Cap fund, this fund was the topper in the category and gave around 59% return in FY24. This was followed by Quant Flexi Cap fund, which gave over 50% return during the same period. GM Flexi Cap fund, this is also in focus, and Motilal Oswal Flexi Cap, these funds also gave over 55% return in the same period. Now, Parag Parekh Flexi Cap fund, which is very famous and popular among the investors, and that is also the largest scheme in the Flexi Cap category based on assets managed. Now, this fund offered around 40% return in FY24 as well. Now, as far as investment is concerned, small cap mutual funds saw an outflow of 94 crore rupees in March, while mid cap mutual funds received an inflow of 1,017 odd crore rupees, and large cap that received 2,127 odd crore rupees inflow during the same period. So, that was all about the mutual fund and of course the Flexi Cap mutual fund as well. But for any other updates related to equities, debt, mutual funds, you don't have to go anywhere. You just have to stay tuned to BT TV. So, stay tuned and many thanks for watching.